Welcome viewers. If you're getting ready for the blessed journeys of Hajj or Umrah, you know how important it is to be prepared. But with so many products on the market, what needs to be in your suitcase? Today, we share 10 must-have items that every pilgrim should bring along to make their journey smoother, safer, and more comfortable. From hygiene essentials to travel comfort, these products will ensure you're fully equipped for every step of the way. So, let's dive in and uncover the items you need for Hajj and Umrah. And don't forget, we've included affiliate links to all these products in the description. So let's get started. At number 1, Unscented Portable Foaming Hand Soap Sheets. Fragrance-free portable foaming hand soap sheets are a must-have hygiene solution for pilgrims performing Hajj and Umrah, especially while in the state of Ihram. During these sacred journeys, maintaining personal cleanliness is crucial, but with large crowds and limited facilities, it can be challenging. These compact, lightweight soap sheets allow pilgrims to keep their hands clean without violating the Ihram restrictions, as they are completely fragrance-free. Number 2. 100% Cotton Ihram for men. We highly recommend choosing a breathable, 100% cotton towel fabric Ihram. This fabric is specifically designed to provide comfort during the physically demanding aspects of the pilgrimage, particularly in the heat and crowded conditions. Wearing a cotton ihram can maintain comfort and hygiene, allowing you to focus on your spiritual journey without being distracted by physical discomfort. Number 3. Umrah and Hajj Guide. This book is the ultimate companion for your Hajj or Umrah journey, offering a step-by-step, practical, and complete guide that ensures you don't miss any crucial rituals or details. Its unique format makes it easy to follow, providing clear instructions on each step of the pilgrimage, from entering Ihram to performing Tawaf, Sa'i, and the final rituals. Number 4. Fragrance-free laundry detergent sheets for Hajj and Umrah. Pilgrims' fragrance-free laundry detergent sheets are essential for Hajj and Umrah pilgrims, as they provide a gentle yet effective way to clean Ihram garments without violating religious guidelines. The use of scented detergents is prohibited during these sacred journeys, as fragrances can disrupt the spiritual focus of the pilgrimage. In addition, the intense heat and humidity experienced in Mecca and Medina often lead to perspiration, making it important to wash garments with a detergent that is both safe for sensitive skin and able to clean thoroughly without harsh chemicals. At number 5. Drawstring Backpack with Shoes Compartment. There are many backpacks available, but this one is pilgrims' favorite style. Let's get into the why. The drawstring backpack with a segregated shoe compartment is ideal for Hajj and Umrah pilgrims, offering a convenient and respectful way to keep belongings organized while maintaining the sanctity of the pilgrimage. This design ensures that shoes and other personal items are kept separate from religious items. Number 6. Miswak Sticks for Dental Hygiene. Nature-owned Miswak organic tooth stick is an ideal choice for those seeking to follow the sunnah of Prophet Muhammad peace be upon him in maintaining oral hygiene. Derived from the pilu tree, Miswak is a natural and traditional method of cleaning teeth, praised for its numerous health benefits. Using Miswak aligns with the teachings of Islam, where the Prophet recommended it as a way to keep the mouth clean and fresh, and to maintain oral health. At number 7. Crystal Rock Stick Deodorant. During Umrah and Hajj, pilgrims are required to maintain cleanliness and follow specific guidelines, one of which is avoiding the use of fragrances while in the state of Ihram. Leif's Crystal Rock Deodorant Stick provides an ideal solution by offering 24-hour protection against odor without the use of artificial fragrances. Made from natural mineral salts, this deodorant eliminates body odor naturally, ensuring you stay fresh while adhering to the spiritual requirements of Ihram. Number 8. Umrah Belt for Men. The Umrah or Hajj waist pack is the perfect accessory for male pilgrims during their Ihram, designed to securely hold and protect their belongings while ensuring comfort and convenience throughout the pilgrimage. With 3 zipper compartments, a front pocket with a detachable key ring for easy access to small items, a large middle compartment for storing essentials, and a secure back pocket for valuables, this waist pack allows pilgrims to keep their personal items organized and safe. It also helps keep the ihram in place, providing additional support while maintaining modesty and ease during the rituals of Tawaf and Sa'i, ensuring that pilgrims can focus on their spiritual journey without worrying about their belongings. At number 9, women's non-slip fuzzy slipper socks. Perfect for tawaf around the Kaaba or during sa'i between Safa and Marwa. These slipper socks are designed to provide comfort and protection during long walks. Made from high-quality materials, including a thick knit upper and a waterproof rubber bottom, they offer durability and support. Many pilgrims experience blisters or foot pain from walking barefoot, but these shoes provide a comfortable alternative, protecting your feet while ensuring you can focus on your spiritual journey without discomfort. Number 10. Collapsible water container with spigot. The collapsible water container with spigot for Zamzam is the perfect travel companion for anyone seeking a convenient way to store and access Zamzam water during their journey. Designed for practicality, this portable and foldable container is ideal for keeping Zamzam water readily available in your hotel room, offering easy access for seniors, children, or anyone who prefers a larger, more convenient water source compared to small bottles. We hope you liked the products recommended by Travelexpro to enhance your pilgrimage experience. We'd love to hear from you. Share your favorite product from our collection in the comment box below and let us know how it has provided you with comfort, convenience, and peace of mind throughout your Hajj or Umrah journey. Don't forget to visit www.travelexpro.com to book your hotel with us.